Follow these steps to activate Hey Siri on iPhone. First, launch your Settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option Siri or Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now here you're gonna find the option of Talk to Siri. Click on that. Now select if you wanna talk to Siri using Siri or Hey Siri only. After you check in, you'll be prompted to spell out these sentences. Click Continue. Now you'll need to spell out these sentences. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Now click on Done. You have just enabled Siri. Now I can head back. You can also customize these settings, whether you want to allow Siri when locked your phone. Likewise, you are able to set up variations and voice for Siri. So this is how you can easily activate Hey Siri on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.